here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, we're going to do my everyday makeup look. So itong everyday makeup look ko guys, ito po yung kadalasan kong ginagamit na makeup, especially on school or hang out with friends. Kung wala pong special occasion na pupuntahan, yun po yung mga everyday makeup look ko. First of all, I want to say sorry guys kasi hindi na ako nakaka-upload. Like, ang haba ng bakasyon namin, hindi ako nag-edit or hindi ako nag-upload ng video because I let myself na magpahinga muna ng sobrang haba kasi I want to condition myself para sa pasukan. By the way guys, this is my first ever video ngayong 2020 guys. But meron na upload na video noong 2019. So ko sana i-post pero parang sabi ko, I don't know. Kasi 2019 pa yun and I don't want to post a late vlog here in my video na. So guys, ipapahapyaw ko na lang po dito yung vlog ko na hindi ko na-upload noong 2019. Faking my trip going to Canada. Sorry guys kung di ko siya na-upload. Pero i-upload ko na po ngayon. So, ayun guys. Papahapyaw ko na po dito in 3, 2, 1, go! Hey guys! This is Erika here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, we're going to do a ginagawa na ng other YouTubers. Yung i-fake nila yung pagpunta nila sa other country and papaniwalaan nila yung mga followers nila, yung mga kamag-anak nila. And yun pala, they just stay in their place. They just fake or edited or nagmamaydi lang sila na nandun sila sa ibang bansa. So guys, yun ang gagawin natin ngayon. May usapan po kami ng mother ko na magpapadala lagi siya sa akin ng mga pictures or video dun sa other country or ngayon sa airport. Na kunyari, kasama ko sila and I'm the one who's taking the video and I will post it on Facebook and Instagram. Magmamaydi ako and syempre magpa-photoshoot rin tayo. Nagpadala din ako kay mama ng autumn clothes ko. Maybe 1 week ko siyang gagawin. Hey guys, so we found this mini cafe here in FEU. Hi. Dito po kami sa mini cafe and dito po ako magpo-photoshoot na for Canada kasi never pa ako nag-post ng meron ako kahit sa mga my take pa na places lang. Para may ma-post naman po ako na meron ako. And ngayon po, nagdala po ako ng coat po for autumn costume and a hat. Then, tutulungan po ako ng mga friends ko for my photo shoot. So, I'll see you later, guys. So, guys, I'm wearing na the hat and the coat. Hi! Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome back
back to my vlog. So today we're in the park. Meet my friend. Thank you for joining my vlog. You're so kind.
Itong pina-follow nyo, mapansin
So this is a kind of plant that you can see in the forest. This is my vlog. Oh, is it yours? Hi. Hey, wait. May sasabihin lang ako. Guys, kamusta po ang na-prank ko na pupunta po ako ng Canada? Dito na ako ng Canada sa Erika. Thank you. Sabi na, thank you. Yun nga, natutuwa ako sa mga classmate ko ngayon, guys. Kasi mga iba, sabi nga, ingat ka.
May ticket kasi siya. Kala ko siya.
Sana umalis ka na lang. So, ayan po. Isa po siya sa mga nasa prank. Sana umalis na lang siya. Sana tinuloy niya.
Sana all my
para may mauwi kang maple syrup dito. Nakakatuwa naman pag inauwi kang maple. Kala ko nasa Canada. Nasa Canada po ako.
What is this, Shobe? Shobe, what is this? Paki-explain naman. Shobe, kailangan na sa Canada. Mas come
Niwala kayo?
Sabi ko, sobrang imposible. Sobrang budol to, friend. Ganda ka, Shobe.
Akala namin nasa Canada ka, may passport ka pa.
Hi!
Sa Canada.
Masaya? Nat, kamusta?
Okay na, kamusta Canada? Ang bilis ah.
Ano?
Nag-Canada ka ba?
Hindi.
Eh, ano yung nasa story mo?
Wala alam mo.
Saan yun?
Sa Canada mismo yun.
Sa?
Sa Canada mismo yun.
Nalilito na ako. Ba't ka nandito? Nasa Canada siya. Tapos ewan mo ba't nasa Quezon City ngayon?
Nalilito siya, guys. Okay, explain ko.
So, guys, that's all. Saglitan lang, guys. So, I hope you enjoy watching that vlog. Hindi ko na-upload noong 2019. Mag-start na po tayo mag-makeup. So guys, before we go into the video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that post notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. And follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. So guys, without further ado, let's go to the video. Hi everyone, so let's start. First, we're going to use this aloe vera soothing gel for our moisturizer. So next, we're going to use this Benefit Pore Freshener for our primer before applying our makeup. So next guys, we're going to use this Sunny Face Air Blush in the shade of Dull for our cheek tints. If I'm doing my blush, I also put in my chin so it gives me more on the natural look. For my base, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Powder Foundation, but sometimes I'm using the Clinique Loose Powder if I'm lazy, but not today. And I'm not putting any liquid foundation and concealer in my face because it's too heavy for everyday makeup. So next, I will use this Holo bronzer from Benefit and apply it on my lid. So it will give me a warm tone in my eyes, and I will dip my brush and put a little bit on my cheekbone and in my forehead. So next guys, I will use this Maybelline Hyper Curl for my mascara. So for my brows, I'm using this Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit, and I'm doing the No Brow look. So for my lips, I'm using this Benetint from Benefit. So lastly, I'll put a little bit of MAC lip gloss in my lips to have a glossy look. So guys, here's my finished look in my everyday makeup. I hope you love it, and this is not sponsored video. Guys, road to 1,000 subscribers na po ako, and if you want to join my giveaway, just check the description box below to know the rules in my giveaway. So, here gonna end my vlog. See you on my next video. Bye-bye. God bless.